Hi Anusha, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. I'm fine.
Okay, good. Okay, this is Megha from Quality Department.
Okay.
By the way, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, introduce yourself.
My name is Anusha. I'm basically from Mysore. I done my graduation in Civil Engineering from GC Calcutta. I done my interior design and management course in CMTI Bangalore. That's I got placed in Lico Puccino.
Okay, that's good, Anusha. And how did you got to know about the CMTI Institute?
My through my friends, ma'am.
Through your friends' influence.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say your friend name? Which friend is that?
So Akshata.
Akshata.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshata. Akshata from which college?
Same college, ma'am. GC Capital.
JC. Okay, Anusha. Anusha, which course did you opt for? IDM. Interior
I
Design
done
Management, right? Okay. Can you explain me what and all did you learn through the training period in interior design management?
through the training, I learned what are standards of kitchens, what are the interior hardwares we use for interior design. So I learn technical skills. That's
That's it. Okay, good, Anusha. It was nice. And what about the softwares you learned? Can you explain?
I learned SketchUp, AutoCAD,
SketchUp.
V-Ray,
Okay.
rendering.
How was SketchUp and AutoCAD softwares?
It's good, ma'am.
Okay, Anusha. Can you say how was the trainer support for you?
Without their support, I can't got a place. So I'm very thankful them. So very excellent trainers are there in CMTI. I'm thankful them. That's it.
Okay, that's good, Anusha. Anusha, can you say about Ashok sir? How Ashok sir motivated for you?
It is a good part for CMTI. Sir also come to the class and tell about companies, how they approach you, how you approach the companies, how they how you impress in interviews for them. A lot of things sir should guide in the classes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, can you say how CMK app helped you?
I think 50% I learned in class, another 50% I learned from app.
But through pre-recorded videos, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. Okay, Anusha. What you like to say your friends further about the CMTI for your juniors?
I always I want to refer them for any courses like CACM or IDM courses. I
Okay,
like to refer them.
you're gonna refer your juniors and friends further.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good, Anusha. Okay, Anusha. Congratulations for your placements. All the
Thank
best
you.
for your future.
Thank you.